Hi, I'm Huijuan Han. I recently graduated with a degree in fashion and apparel design from Qingdao University. One of my projects began with exploring symptoms related to central sensitization, such as fibromyalgia, where pain occurs not in the joints, but in the soft tissues around them. I first visualized the pain levels across the body using pain mapping, studying areas where muscles tend to tighten, stretch, or become emotionally sensitive. I then experimented on the body with fabric strips and plates to simulate sensations of tension, release, and restraint. Shapes resembling exposed tendons or the build-up of suppressed emotion. These experiments gradually evolved into wearable silhouettes and structure details, turning invisible bodily experience into a wearable design language. I found out through experimenting with different materials using just plates, strips, and tension-based designs that the way a material behaves is very unpredictable. It can collapse, be stretched, or pushed against. So rather than controlling how a material behaves, I have allowed this behavior to dictate how the final textile will be created, basically giving fabrics the same anatomical characteristics as soft tissue, or how a person builds up their emotional state by their actions. My methodology in textile design challenges how we traditionally think about textiles, rather than simply rebuilding them as decorative or surface materials. I look at textiles as tools to be used to understand how the body relates to its emotional and neurological ecosystem. I want to think of textiles not as passive, but rather as active participants in the regulation of emotions or neural interventions. In my future studies, I hope to further explore the potential of textiles as an active neural-regulatory interface, developing into how voice signal acquisition, real-time feedback, and intelligent response can be integrated into textile systems.